Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see imac 2011 model. You can see this with the sound, that cross symbol, the sound driver which is not installed, and I tried mostly all the sound driver, even the boot camp directly downloading from imac. It's not supporting. Let us see. Right click on my computer, my this PC or my computer, and select the manage, and in the device manager you can see here high definition audio controller with the yellow color symbol means it's not installed. And mostly the drivers, mostly almost all the drivers which is installed in this main issue. This is 2011 model and it support maximum last Windows 8, and we install Windows 10, and we have to install sound driver. Let us see how we can install. For that I am restarting this imac and hold the alt button. Why we are all holding the alt button? Because already I installed the iSera on this. We have to boot from mac and we have to download some software, and after that we will boot from the windows. So that the purpose I am restarting. Just hold the alt button. You can see the two drive like designed with a black box. Let us see. Mostly all the drivers which I install and it's not working. And at last, if it's not working, you can follow this method. It's very simple. Don't want to take many times, it won't take more time to install or solve this issue. This is a very simple method. Let us see how we can solve this issue. It's a very simple method. Now we can see EFI boot and untitled. EFI boot, you can see both two drives. Let us boot from Apple. Can wait. In the Apple directly we can go to the application and the utility. There will be a boot camp. From the boot camp you can directly copy, while connecting the internet, directly copy all the drivers to the flash. That one also it's not working, so that's why we are following this method. Let me enter the password and just get into imac. And you can see here you have to connect one flash there. So let me go to the Safari and go to the Google page. Google, we have to download the software. Let us see. And I have said you that connect the flash. We don't want to connect any flash or anything. Now let us type OpenCore legacy patcher. We have to type on the search, on the Google search bar. You can type like this. After typing, you can see first OpenCore legacy like this, or Dotania OpenCore like this. While you select that page, you will see like this. In this you can see release 2.20 latest. If you click there, you will find, actually we have to the software must be appear on here. It's rotating because my internet is little slow. I think so the internet must be good for all the options to be appeared there. And for that we will go back, and again we'll go back, and you will see, you can see down little top, you can see download OpenCore legacy patcher for mac. You can click over there and you can see here download. That's only 5 to 600 MB, and if you give download you have to wait some time. Now it started to download. Already I have downloaded. This is to show you where to go and how to download. After downloading this, just open this OpenCore patcher. Now the downloaded file is here. Just open that downloaded file. You can see that's verifying OpenCore patcher. Now you can select the option open. While you select the option, you can see the new version of OpenCore legacy patcher is available. So download and install. You can see while you are before I go that release 2.20, that's why it's showing the new version is out available here. You can see 2.20. So now it's downloading this new version. Before we were looking for the released new version there, but it's rotating. It will take more time. That's why I come back and download this another version. While installing time, you can see already that's come like a 2.20, and it take 2 minutes to download this file. It's almost 750 MB. Now the download has completed and installing. Because I pause in between, it will take a long video, that's why. Now just enter the password for installing this one. Now enter the password again here. Whatever the password which you create in the while you opening this iMac, same password you can enter over here. Let me enter the password. And let me give OK. Now installing additional components, we have to wait till the installation to be completed. Now you can give yes. Would you like to update OpenCore and your root volume patches? You can give yes. While you give yes, you can see install to disk. You can see like this option, fetching information. We have to select first because we are installing on the hard disk. This is disk 2 which is connected the flash, so you have to connect the hard drive which is installed on the iMac. Now its installation is completed. You can just click on the reboot option. While you give reboot and restart, you have to wait till the system restarting, because it will start now from OpenCore patcher. So you have to wait. If it's not starting, you can close this download from the left side top corner, and you can reboot the device. You can see OpenCore patcher like in the left side in the top corner. You can right click over there and restart it. Now just enter the password and restart it again. You can go from here and restart this iMac, and we'll wait. Just while restarting time, for the confirmation, just hold the alt button. We have to see that whether you can see that 2 drives are there or only the iMac is showing. So this is for the confirmation only. Otherwise it will boot directly from the patcher, OpenCore patcher. This is for only for the confirmation whether it's starting from open patcher or not only. You have to wait. While booting time, if you just hold the alt button, just release and press it one more time, because sometime it will get little stuck. That's why, because sometimes the holding more time, and you will feel that why it's not coming, it's got something stuck over like this. You can see here now the symbol is showing, open patcher symbol is showing. Just select that one and hit enter on the keyboard. You can see just hit select and one more time hit enter. Now you can see the Windows logo. Now it's appearing. We can see whether it's coming the driver is installed or not installed. And we can see this corner. You can see the sound driver is installed, everything, all the drivers is installed. It's very simple method. So this is how to solve this issue. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you.